How to redeem your Robux or Roblox gift card. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Bipin Visnad, and today I'll guide you on how you can redeem your Robux code or the Roblox gift card. Now the process itself is actually quite simple and quite easy, so let me guide you through with this video. First things first, what you want to do is you want to head into your browser, any browser that you want on your device, and then on the browser I'll just open up Chrome. At the search bar you want to type in roblox.com/redeem. You can see the roblox.com/redeem. Make sure to type it correctly, and once you type it, simply tap and go or the search bar. Now here it's asking me directly to redeem the code, but in your case first it'll ask you to log into your account. If you have your account saved in on your Google account or any browser that you're using, then it'll directly log into that particular account. If not, it'll ask you to log into your account, so you want to enter in or log into the account that you wish to redeem your code on, and then simply enter in your code here. You can see enter your gift card, virtual item or promo code below. So you want to enter your code here, tap on redeem, and it'll get redeemed to the account that you logged in on. So this way you can redeem your Robux code or the Roblox gift card. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.